I have, in a theater, there's 884 seats. And it tells me in the problem that 500 are orchestra and the rest are balconies. That means there must be 384. And this problem, we're trying to figure out the total revenue from last night's performance. And to find revenue, you always take the number, in this case, number of tickets sold times the price of each ticket. And that will give you the total revenue. So I need to know the number of tickets sold and the price of each ticket. So if I look at, and by I'm gonna let O, the letter O, be price of an orchestra ticket, and B be the price of a balcony ticket. So in clue 1, the price of an orchestra seat is twice the price of a balcony seat. So O equals 2 times B. So this tells me about the price, but I have no idea how many tickets were sold. That doesn't work. All right, by the way, I don't think that really matters. I was just going to say that if you sold all your tickets, it'd be 500 times O plus 384 times the price of those, B, and that will give you your total revenue, which is, what do they tell me? 34.6. All right, clue 2, what's it tell me about? Last night's performance. So in clue 1 doesn't work. I know the price of tickets, but I don't know how many tickets were sold for last night's performance. Clue 2, it tells me about the number of tickets sold. The number of tickets sold, all the balcony were sold. So 384 balcony tickets were sold. And then 40% of 500, is that right? 500 orchestra seats, so it's 80%. And that gives me 400 orchestra tickets sold. So clue 2 tells me all about how many tickets were sold, but I don't know the price of each one because you can't use clue 1 when you're looking at 2 independently, so that doesn't work. So neither one worked. Clue 1 or clue 2 did not work independently. Now put them together and they will work because you know the price. Let me change colors. You know the price and you know how many tickets were sold. So you can find your total revenue for last night's performance. So I had to put them both together. Answer is C.